I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kajati Diala, and I'm back with another motherfucking video for you guys.
They was looking for something. She belonged to the city.
Today is Friday, July 1st. My birthday is in 19 days. Today's video is just gonna be something different. I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a wig for beginners. I'm still a beginner myself, but I feel like why not show y'all the process of me learning so I can always look back at this footage and allow myself to grow and know what I'm doing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go watch my last video, my girls night out vlog. It's super cute and I really ate on that editing. And if you think so too, go ahead and subscribe to me and turn on your post notifications to see more of my beautiful self on your YouTube feed. So it is currently 1:50 and I am about to bleach these knots and pluck this wig. It's 1:50 and I have work tomorrow, but why not? Like, so let's get into the wig. I got it off Amazon, just a practice wig. Let's get into it. Let me take it off the net. This is how it looks. It's 26 inches, deep wave. Just know this is what we finna bleach. I'm gonna show you the bleaching process. It looks like a good wig. Hopefully it fits my big ass head. And yeah, so let's get into the bleaching process. I'm gonna start off by using my T-pins. Everything will be linked in the description box. I bought all of this from Amazon. So basically now I'm just pushing the needle into the lace so it can stay on the mannequin hair without falling.
Just got in town, and I won't let you in this club.
Okay, so time for the bleaching process. I will be using 30 developer. The brand does not matter from what I know. They all do the same thing. And I'm using BW2. I got these from my local beauty supply store. And then you're just gonna need a bowl and a butter knife. So now I'm just using 2 big scoops of the bleach and 2 shakes of the developer until I can get a paste consistency. And don't be scared to add more developer because it has to be a paste consistency. Not too thick, not too thin.
Isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweat?
And now I'm just spraying Got To Be on the frontal and spraying it and combing all the little hairs backwards so they don't get bleached in the process.
I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you?
Okay, now I'm gonna take out the push pins, flip the frontal, and pin it back down the other way so I can start bleaching.
Just say you will come through and chill. Just say you will.
And after I apply the bleach, I just let it sit underneath aluminum foil for 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes, until it doesn't over bleach and it doesn't under bleach.
And wash me over until my will runs dry.
And after washing all the bleach out, I just tone it with purple shampoo so it can be less orange for about 15 minutes, and I just come back and rinse it out again. This is the wig. I kind of over bleached it, but it ain't too bad. I'm gonna show y'all how to fix that. Look at me being smart. I'm gonna put this over it so I can see what I gotta pluck. I ended up just using the little white tissue paper that comes with the wig, so I'm able to see the knots better, making it easier for me to pluck. And then I just take a comb and comb all the hairs backwards so I can see the hairline correctly. And the process I use right here is pretty simple. I basically just section the hair into little tiny sections and pluck. If y'all want a more detailed video about plucking, let me know. And then I just hot comb the hair flat so I can see the difference between sections. And when I pluck with a gap in between, so it's not too overplucked, too underplucked. And then you would just comb it back so you can see if you need to pluck some more. If y'all want a more detailed video, let me know. I will make one, because I don't like how I was so far away from the camera in this footage. It's 12:46 and I'm about to teach you how to install a wig. We're gonna start off with the simple stuff. Oiling the scalp. You know, don't want to be patting your wig, itching it. It just doesn't give it a good look. I'm using wide hair growth and Silver 8. And now I just brush all my edges back because I don't want to lose no type of edges when I remove this wig. And now I'm just cutting out my ears with these cuticle scissors to make sure my ears are comfortable. And now I'm just putting little dots on the ball cap where I can see my hairline, and then I'm just spreading it out evenly. Make sure you put it right in front of your hairline, not on top, not too far out, because you don't want too much ball cap. Right in front of your hairline. And after it dries clear, just make sure you cut all the excess ball cap that is not glued down to your forehead. Make sure you get every single tiny piece that is not glued down. After using my Toast concealer, I just made sure I wiped off all the excess glue and makeup and started measuring my forehead with the wig and applying makeup once again so I can see where I have to put the glue. Okay, so it's clear, somewhat, sorta. So I'm gonna add the second coat. And now I'm just feeling across my ears so I can measure out cutting out my ear tabs. The sides. I'm going on that to dry clear, and then I'm gonna finally put down and put my elastic band. I'll put it on 410. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We ain't having it, that's all. Take you there, I'm still learning from my mistakes, but this part really shows whether you truly plucked a lot or if you did like little skips. I was sort of scared to over pluck, so I didn't. So my edges were very full. I shouldn't have pulled out as much as I did, so make sure if you pluck, it should not be that much. It still came out cute, but I had to go in and pluck extra baby hair so they could be thinner.
Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you facilitated this you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you weren't you. So I come close, so won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? When you have this place on earth, I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. When you have this place on earth, I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you feel me?